Hello and welcome to Cami Academy. In this video, we will discuss what are the benefits of kissing. In all its varieties, feels nice. Most folks consider kissing as an act of affection and keenness between companions. They are proper, however kissing, if you get to the fundamentals, is an act of rubbing faces in opposition to one another and exchanging saliva. And this has many health benefits. Kisses serve many functions other than essentially the most obvious one of how it makes you feel. It reveals who you might be, the way you see yourself, and who you need your associate to be. It may possibly heal you, boost your immunity, hold your enamel wholesome, and it may possibly even enable you to burn a couple of further energy. If you want to know more informative videos, then click subscribe and the bell icon. Let's do this together. It's known as philematology. This is what the scientific examination of kissing is named. Romance has nothing to do with it. Philos in historic Greek means earthly love. Dozens of muscle groups are concerned. The orbicular oris is the primary set of skeletal muscles involved. It's the one that permits lips to pucker. Simple kisses use as few as 2 muscle groups, whereas passionate kissing can contain as many as 23 to 34 facial muscle groups and 112 postural muscle groups, in accordance with the research. You burn energy. If you don't like exercising, kissing is another way to burn calories. However, be ready that it could take numerous kissing to shed further kilos. Even passionate kissing burns nearly 6 to 7 energy per minute. The act of kissing consumes as much as 26 energy per minute. It retains your enamel wholesome. Saliva has many antibacterial properties because of the minerals in it. Studies have proven that licking wounds makes scientific sense because it is a natural antiseptic. An individual is secreting extra saliva, whereas kissing implies you're mainly washing away the plaque on the enamel, serving to forestall tooth decay, in accordance with the research. Expect a rise in dopamine stage. This is very true if it's the very first kiss with somebody new. Dopamine is certainly one of 4 hormones that go by the nickname happy hormone, and acts as a neurotransmitter. The elevated stage of dopamine can be answerable for you wanting extra kisses. A brief kiss transfers thousands and thousands of bacteria and microbes. As many as 10 million to 1 billion bacteria representing 278 totally different species could also be exchanged throughout a lively kiss. Also, throughout kissing, folks alternate a mean of 9 milliliters of water, 0. 7 milligrams of protein, 0. 18 milligrams of natural compounds, 0. 71 milligrams of various fat, and 0. 45 milligrams of sodium chloride. Heart beats sooner. This is due to neurotransmitters epinephrine, adrenaline and norepinephrine, launched by the adrenal gland, which receive the sign to take action by the mind throughout kissing. They promote the fight or flight response. It additionally makes you extra alert. Kissing causes the manufacturing and launch of adrenaline and noradrenaline. They get your physique prepared for fight or flight, or just put, they make you alert and get you prepared for motion. I hope you liked this video. And make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will see you next time.